Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to get abs. To reveal your abdominal muscles, you need to reduce body fat. Firstly, eat lean protein, chicken, fish or eggs, include complex carbs and eat healthy fats. Also drink plenty of water, 2 to 3 liters per day. Avoid sugar drinks, processed food and overeating. Also, you can spot reduce belly fat, but you can strengthen and define your abs underneath. Try plank for 30 to 60 seconds, bicycle crunches, 3 sets, leg raises for 3 sets, Russian twists for 3 sets, and mountain climbers for 3 sets. Now, cardio helps reduce overall body fat so your abs can show. Running or brisk walking, cycling or swimming, or even HIIT workouts, high intensity interval training. Also, muscles grow and define during rest, so do not overwork. Sleep at least for 7 or 8 hours at night and take 1 or 2 rest days weekly. Without enough rest, you'll slow down fat loss and muscle definition. And of course, stay consistent. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.